Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to do the student marks calculation program in Eclipse Java. Now here, so let's go to the start the new project, new others. You have to select under the Windows Builder. We have to select the application window. Next, you have to select this one, student marks calculation. You just click student marks. Right. Go to the designer. Right. Now here first what I am going to select as right click layout, absolute layout. Now I am going to go to do the thing is first I am going to go to the panel. You have to get the panel first. One panel you have to drag the panel over here. So panel here. Panel layout also I am going to, you will be able to change the panel layout. The border right here, border we have to change the default. There are many borders are there. You will be able to check bevel, line border. You have to write bevel border. You will be pick up the color as well. No, so keep it the default one. Click OK. This is a bevel border, right? It's a border, right? Okay, this is a panels border, right? I just put the border. Very simple. Now what I am going to do is here. Now I am going to go to the student marks calculations. Now I am going to drag the labels and text fields. First text field we just click and drag here. First one, right. Select this one. Layout absolute, right? We have to put the absolute. Okay, inside the panel. Now you will be able to drag. Right. Now here we have to write here. Right. We have to drag over here. Now I am going to do the thing is label. One label I am going to drag over here. Right. This one should be, I am going to name it as student marks. This one should be right. Right. Here we have to write, select this one, marks 1, press enter key, marks 1, press enter key, right. Select this one, font I am going to change it as 14, bold 14, I am going to change it as 14. I change it like this, right. Same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, get another copy. This one I am going to change it as marks 2, press enter key. Same thing, Control C to copy, Control this marks 3. Right. After that, what I am going to the same text field, Control C to copy, Control V to get the another copy. We have to name this one as first one should be txt num1. This one should be txt num2. Same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste it, txt num3. After that we have to do another thing is this text field, this one, so tot, txt tot. After that, Control C to copy, Control V, this is the average, txt average, press enter key. After that, Control C to copy, Control, this one should be grade, txt grade, press enter key, right. Now here marks, first one should be Control C to copy, Control, this one should be the total, this label, text total, press enter key. Same thing, Control C to copy, Control, this one should be the average, press enter key. After the Control C to copy, Control V to paste, this one should be the grade, press enter key, right. Now what I am going to do, see I need a buttons, right. We need a button for here, 3 buttons we need a buttons, right. So here I need a buttons. This first one should be the add button, this one should be the calculate add button, press enter key. After the same button again, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be the clear button, press enter key. third one should be the Control C to copy, Control V to this one should be the this one exit button, right? This is a thing. Here we have to put the heading as here above, same label, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. It's very simple. You just rather than drag and drop, we have to write the just copy and paste it, right? Student marks calculation, present key, this one should be 60. Okay, right. Now what I am going to do is here you have to change the foreground color as this red color. Okay, now let's run and check whether how the frame look like. Click on this one. Okay, right, this simple one. This frame look like this. Okay, now first we will be able to do the things, right? Now what I am going to do is here select the add button, right click, event handler, action perform. Now first what I am going to do is this we all the names should be changed according to our programming standard, right? txt num1, num2, num3 dot, this one should be average. Great, right? According to the programming standard we have set the name. Now let's go to the this one button, design tab, add. Now you'll be able to write it. Okay, event this one action perform, it just goes. Okay. Now here we have to write, first you have to define the variable, right? First marks one m1 equal integer, you have to write integer like this, integer dot parseInt txt num1 dot get text, right? After that what I am going to do is here the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one marks to num2, this one the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This mem3, this is mark3, right? Now you have to int dot equal m1 plus m2 plus m3. You have to calculate all the variables, right? What are the values you have entered, num1, num2, num3. It's all the things are assigned to these variables. We have to calculate them and put into the total variable. After that, this all the values should be passing to the relevant text field. So we have to write txt dot what is the problem? It won't display. Right. txt dot, right. Simple mistake. txt dot it's not work, text set text, you have to write here string dot value of dot, we have to write dot. And the problem is txt dot, I just put a txt dot, press enter key, now it will be work. That's a problem. I miss one t here, now it's work, right? The same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. This one should be average txt avg. I think this here also that same mistake there. The spelling mistake, small spelling mistake will be there, right? The same thing, txt grade. This is working. Right here, okay. This one should be there. How to calculate the average? Dot int. We have to write rather than the dot. We have to calculate the average. We have to calculate the this one instead of putting to the int. We have to change as double or float. that should be better, right? Flat or double, right? I just put it as a double. Average equal dot divide by 3. But how many subjects are there? 3. So divide by 3. So here we have write that double, control C the average, we have to put it here. The same thing, control C to copy, control V, sorry, the same thing. After that we have tried calculate the grade. So we have tried, when you are calculating the grade, there will be the condition. If the marks is average greater than 50, your grade should be pass. If the marks is below 50, grade should be fail. So how to do the task is here is, you have to write, you have to calculate the average. So average, you have to calculate the average, you have to calculate the average. So we have to write ABG average greater than 50, the average is greater than 50. So we have to write J option pan dot show message, you have to write null, you have to write pass. If the average is greater than 50, grade should be pass. Otherwise same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste over here. This one should be a fail, right? When you calculate in the average, there should be the condition. If the average is greater than 50, result should be pass, otherwise fail, right? That's the thing we have to do. We put into the, instead of you have to put into the message box or text box, you have to pass into the this text box the grade. You can pass it simply. Instead of the message box, you have to write like this: txt grade dot setx, simply write pass. Message should be pass. Same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here, fail. Right, now let's check. All save, run the program and check. 40, 34, 67 and 67, click add. The average is greater than 50, if 50, so grade should be passed. It's working perfectly well, right? If you enter the thing is 32, 23, if you click add here, if the average is below 50, grade display as fail, right? It's working perfectly well. Now I am going to go to do the clear button as well. So action event, here we have tried the thing is here, txt num1 dot setx, you have tried this one. Control C to copy, control V to paste here. Right, here you have tried dot, same thing, control C to copy, control V, this one should be the average. Same thing, control C to copy, control V, this one should be the grade. Finally we have to write this one should be the, this all the things are clear, and focus on that cursor on B, txt num1 text field. So we have to control C to copy, control V to paste here, dot request focus method, we have to call it here, right? After that we have to do the another task is here, this one exit. So right click, action event, action perform. Here you have to write this here, simply close button, we have to write the code, right? So system dot out, sorry, system dot exit, put it to 0, right? Now let's check whether all the stuff are working. Save all, design, you have to write like right here 45, 30, click add, result should be failed. If you're going to clear, the cursor should be focused on here. If you exit the program, right? I hope you guys understood the programming well. If you have any doubt on this one, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.